Hello guys and welcome to Techland. Today I'll be showing you how to purchase MTN data, 5 gigabyte of data for 500 and 1 gigabyte of data for just 100 naira. So the first thing you're going to do is to go to your app store and then search for MTN app, my MTN app. And once you download and install it, just go to open the app. Now, if this is your first time of downloading the app, you'll be awarded 1 gigabyte of data for free for downloading the app and registering on the app. So I'll purchase the 5 gigabyte of data for 500 naira. Just you need to download the app and it's only available on Tuesday. It's only available on Tuesday to purchase this data. It can only be done on Tuesday through the app. Now you have to go to Mega Deal right here, Mega Deals, and click on it. Now once you click on it, then you'll see exclusive app deals. Now MTN and Tuesday awoof, you have to scratch any of the two to get an amazing deals. Now I'll be clicking on the first one. Just have to scratch. Now you can see this is you enjoy 100 megabyte of data plus 900 megabyte of data bonus for just 100 naira, and it's valid for 1 day. You can just buy and or just go, but I'll be purchasing the 5 gigabyte of data for 500. So this is it right here. Now you will get 2.5 gigabyte of data plus 2.5 gigabyte of data. That's 5 gig for just 500 and it's valid for 2 days. That is on Tuesdays and on Wednesday. So you can purchase the data on Tuesday and it will last for Tuesday and Wednesday for you to majorly download. So I'll just click on buy now. Okay, and just click to proceed. Make my payments with airtime. Yeah, and just click on pay. And now it's as easy as that. Now thank you. Your your recent purchase with us was successful and fulfillment is in progress. Okay, now to check my data now, so I'll simply subscribe to the MTN 5 gigabyte of data for 500 naira, which is valid and lasts for Tuesday. Now as you can see, just got a message right now and it's been activated. Now just go to my data, my phone, and just die. 7 2.5H.